Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance, currently ranked at 139 with a market cap of about $230 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about 18.82 million, and today we would be looking at some very interesting price chart right here for YEARN.finance or YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And so we saw that our prices when we were first, we love to draw our key levels right here for YFI. So prices move from level to level right here for YFI, right? And we saw when we saw prices were below this 200 EMA and were below this 80 to 20 EMA, we said prices were bearish, and as you can see, prices were pulling to the downside. The moment we flipped above this EMA, we said prices was bullish right here from the 5,800 level, and we have seen prices push to the upside. Currently, we have been ranging right here for YFI, right? We saw this push below this 200 EMA, and we said prices, as you can see, we came close to our key level right here of 6,300, but we saw the bulls came in, and currently we have pushed above the 200 EMA, which means we are still bullish, right? So the bulls just had some fake out right here to the downside and got another push to the upside. Our indicators are still saying we are currently at overbought levels. So as you can see, very overbought levels right here on the chart right here for YFI. So we could still expecting a push right down even into this range. We could be expecting the range to continue, as also on our volume profile we are seeing very strong bias right here coming in for YFI. So YFI is very bullish at the moment, as we are seeing strong bias coming in right here for YFI, but we could still expect this range to continue over the next few days right here for YFI. But currently YFI is still bullish, and we should be expecting bullish price action right here for YFI. So that's basically the analysis for YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.